Good morning, campers. Good morning. I wanted to take a little nature walk while it's early in the morning. You remember some of these sites. If not, I hope you come next year when we're able to have you here at the Melwood Rec Center in person. Hi, it's Mrs. Reed. I'm going to take a nature walk here at the Melwood Rec Center. It's good to be healthy and it's good to walk. I know we're all having what we call cabin fever, being inside because of this pandemic, but we're going to walk around here when the dew is on the grass and it's just beautiful and quiet here at the Melwood Rec Center. Here, I'm going to stop. Listen up. Do you hear the birds? There are a lot of different type of birds here at the rec center. Oh, wow. Look at this. Do you see out in the distance the fog? Look it up. Fog. F-O-G. Google it and see how do we get fog. And you might be able to see if I turn the camera down a little bit. Do you see something light, like really small water on the grass? That's called dew. We had a very big rain here last night, and Debbie, our barn manager, came out. She lives nearby, and she made sure that all of the animals, the horses, the pigs, the goats, the chickens, and our cow were doing okay. I'm looking around to see if I can find something in nature that would be of any difference than what maybe you see. Maybe you can take Flat Julie out and you can figure out how to do a quick picture or two with Flat Julie to make sure Julie knows that you're having interesting adventures out there. Oh, wow. Here, I'm going to put this up. See if you can see some of the birds that are flying overhead. It's nothing nicer than being able to walk in the morning, breathing in, breathing out, and being thankful for all of the beauties of our world. Oh, that's a different sounding bird. Sometimes we should just stop and appreciate nature. Look at the different leaves that we have on this tree. And I see 1, 2, 3 different trunks on that tree. I bet all the animals are down there asleep. And I'm going to continue on my walk. But you send us some pictures about your nature walks, even if it's just in your backyard or your neighborhood.